Alright, what's going on YouTube? It is your boy Wingstop Hobby, and we're back today with another video. Now in today's video, I will be giving you guys my unboxing and my thoughts about the LeBron 7 Media Days. I know I've been talking about these, it seems like forever, and they finally landed. However, like I mentioned in one of my videos, I have a 9.5, so if you're looking for a 9.5, like if you want to buy these, I will hook it up for a good price. Just comment below or hit me up on IG. I would love to hook one of you guys up that actually are gonna wear the shoe. So yeah, I'm not trying to crack heads. I just want to get my size 10.5. So once again, if you want these in a 9.5, feel free to hit me up. But anyways, let's just get right into it. Now before the video, of course, hit that like and subscribe. Feel free to follow me on Instagram down below. And yeah, I don't want to make this video too quick, by the way, because too long, by the way, because I know there's a lot of videos already out here on this shoe, but I just want to give you guys my thoughts and opinions and see if they're worth your money if you're still looking to buy this shoe for resale. So anyways, might as well mention the box. Standard LeBron 7 box. This is the original box, the same original design. And it is a Nike LeBron 7 Quick Strike, Court Purple, White Amarillo, and the 9.5. Retail was $200. All LeBron 7s are $200. And bang, bang, here they are, the LeBron 7 Media Day, Lakers colorway, whatever you want to call it. Now, right off the bat, did they disappoint me in hand? Because you guys know I've been hyping this shoe up. I've been saying this is like one of the best LeBrons in the last 10 years, etc. And no, they did not disappoint in hand. These things are absolutely bangers. I love them even more in hand. And I'll tell you right off the bat too, this yellow one, if they would have just dropped this colorway exclusively, like without this purple and just dropped it all yellow, man, it might have been better, honestly. I love this yellow one so much. I mean, the purple one's dope too, but this yellow just pops so much more. And for some reason, the speckles just pop more on it too. But maybe I'm tripping. But I don't know. I just love this yellow colorway. So anyways, let's go over this yellow shoe. And basically, like you guys know, it's a mismatched shoe. So everything that's purple on this shoe is going to be yellow on this shoe. But getting into this yellow one, right off the bat, this white leather on the toe cap. Now, I'm gonna pull out my red carpets, for example, because I could do this. This leather on this red carpet is so different than this one. This one is way softer on the Media Days. This one is very stiff on this one. And it also looks a lot different too. Not the color, but just like the material. I'm not like a leather expert, but the you can see like the grains of leather. It's way bigger on this one than on this one. Just something I wanted to point out, because you figured they would use the same, but no, this leather is different than the red carpets. Definitely, like I said, it's softer. It feels a lot better in hand too. It kind of feels like the leather they used on the Christmas colorway. If you guys have those, that leather was really soft. Now I don't have those either, but I felt them in the store and had them in my hand, so that's what I'm basing this off of. Anyways, getting back into it, paint speckle on the midsole is absolute fire on both shoes. I absolutely love that touch. Little fun fact, this is not the first mismatched 7. If you guys know, back in the day, LeBron actually wore a mismatched hardwood classic pair when he played for the Cavs, when they wore their blue throwback jerseys, the one that say Cavs across the front. One shoe was orange and one shoe was royal blue with like orange accents and everything. So it was just like this one, just in the Cavs throwback colors, which if they would have dropped those, that would have been a banger as well. But anyways, like I said, purple shoe, got yellow paint speckles on the midsole, and you got this flywire technology. And once again, the leather they used on this purple and this yellow on the upper is definitely a lot softer feeling than previous LeBron 7s that I've had. So they definitely gave us a softer leather on here. LeBron 23 logo on that side, on this side as well, and then another LJ 23 back here, and then another one back here as well. And a little fun fact, I was looking on Instagram today, and a known LeBron page actually got their pair in, and this L23 was flipped upside down. So you could just tell that the quality check has not been the best on the LeBron 7s. It's not just these, it's all the LeBron 7s. They've all had their fair share of issues. Now this pair I have in hand is actually pretty good. It's just some minor glue marks, some paint marks as well, but that's all been minor stuff. with the LeBron 7s that I've got. So I guess I'm not too disappointed. I guess when you get a bunch of them and they all have the same flaws, you just kind of expect it at this point. So I knew that, you know, these would probably have some imperfections on there for sure. But not too shabby overall. Worth 200. I still say this shoe should be 175, but that's just me. That's just me. But anyways, getting into resale of the shoe. If you're looking to pick these up, I would absolutely buy these right now. I know price isn't too bad. Price rose up on release day and then it dropped down like I said it would. The only risk if you're waiting to cop this shoe is that if the NBA does come back and the Lakers win the championship, this shoe's jumping up double in price. Like, this is a $600 shoe if the Lakers win the title this year. If we do get basketball back, I hope to God it comes back because I need something to watch on TV desperately. But getting into sizing, figured I'd finish with that. True to size, all my LeBron 7s are true to size. I would not go down. I would not go up. Like I said, go true to size. They fit perfectly. And overall, this is a very comfortable shoe. I don't wear them for basketball, but I do wear them for walking around. I could say, due to this Air Max unit, this shoe is super comfy on feet, and this upper just feels great. Honestly, it's way more comfortable than any retro Jordan. It's way more comfortable than the Kobe's I own. And overall, for a basketball shoe, this is like 8.5, 9 comfort just for casual wear, which is pretty impressive. But that would be my advice on sizing and comfort for you guys. But yeah, like I said, if you are looking to pick these up, I would absolutely recommend you do it now. But that's going to do it for me. And once again, if you guys need a 9.5, please feel free to reach out. I would love to hook a subscriber up with these because these are absolutely fire. I grade these 9.4 out of 10, my favorite 7 yet. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.